In this video, we'll see how, by using the ScaffBlock tool introduced in ScaffPlan 1.7, you can bring modeling with ScaffPlan to the next level. The ScaffBlock has been developed to save time and effort during modeling, as the tool allows to create and distribute over the system any company-specific common scaffold scenarios or scaffold patterns you often come across in different jobs. The concept of the tool is quite straightforward. Once you have scaffold modeled, you can wrap it into a ScaffBlock and reuse it anytime needed. To do so, let's see how it all works. Say we have a corner arrangement we use quite often. As a best practice and prerequisite, please make sure the scaffold is located in the first quadrant of the XY coordinate system, here. Now we're ready to go, and let's open the ScaffBlock menu to quickly overview its features. Double-click on the ScaffBlock icon located under the Scaffold Design tab to open the tool menu. The tool has an ability to add a new ScaffBlock. Import a ScaffBlock exported and sent to you by a colleague, or export a ScaffBlock to send over to your colleague. It is also possible to delete ScaffBlocks from the system if any mistakenly added or a ScaffBlock is not needed anymore. And lastly, import miscellaneous ScaffBlocks provided with ScaffPlan by our team. To add your own ScaffBlock, please click on the Add button. Then select the scaffold configuration to be included into the block. Then define type, say corners, subtype, say internal corner, and name, let's say corner 1. Please pay attention to the naming consistency here, as it should allow you to recognize the block when you'll be inserting it. The full name of the ScaffBlock automatically gets built for you and linked to the scaffold system you're currently using. Next, we can decide if we'd like to replace the current scaffold in the model with the ScaffBlock created, or simply untick the option to leave the scaffold as it is. Then press Insert and pick 2 points to be used as an insertion points for the ScaffBlock in the future. Once the points being clicked, ScaffPlan will start creating the ScaffBlock, and when creation is finalized, the block will appear in the tool menu and the creation status will be reflected in the bottom left corner. Now we can reuse it as many times as we like in any other model created to speed up the corner creation. To insert a ScaffBlock into the model, please click once on the tool. In the contextual toolbar, select Type and Subtype, then Name of the block. Click 2 points in the model we defined as an insertion points of the ScaffBlock on creation, and here we go, the full block appears. Now, as a next step, we can explode it to remove the ScaffBlock shell of intelligence from it and copy base as required to form the scaffold. The same might be done for any scaffold configuration as mentioned before. Say, for stair arrangements you build often on site. For tube and clip users, the full line of scaffold might be added as a ScaffBlock and then inserted all in one go. Once the ScaffBlock exploded, the tube and fitting configuration might be changed as desired using the tube and clip tool. Or even, say, guardrails with ledges as a lift proxy would be also great to have as a ScaffBlock, then used forming lifts with high speed and accuracy. It might be even single console brackets to add them where needed. Basically, the only imagination here is a limit, as by recognizing common patterns and scenarios, ScaffBlock tool will help you to finalize your jobs quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy using the ScaffBlock. Any questions, we're always happy to answer via support@scaffplan.com. Thanks.